PewDiePie sucks. They really need to get alive. They need to stop saying that because PewDiePie, just because he's the most subscribed doesn't mean he's all stuck up and thinks that everything is that thinks he's higher and better and mightier than everybody. And then Malcolm 14 underscore 1466. He's just an idiot kid, a little kid who doesn't even know what he's talking about. Thinks he's gonna get subscribers and attention from hating PewDiePie. All you're getting is hate comments, to be honest. Which I don't get what's so wrong with PewDiePie. PewDiePie's amazing. Okay, sure, he curses from then and here, but he's a grown man. Of course he's going to. And so what? He screams. You would too if you were playing a horror game. If you were playing a horror game you never played before, you would scream too. You would get scared too. It's a horror game. It's the point. Idiots. And then why devote a whole channel to hating PewDiePie? I don't understand that. I really don't. It's stupid.